Hi, I'm Mike from Hobart Welding Products. Today I'm going to be making a Dutch oven trivet using the Hobart Handler 125. The Handler 125 is flux-cored ready and MIG capable. Also, it can weld up to 3/16-inch mild steel. For our Dutch oven trivet project today, we're going to need 3 horseshoes, and we're going to also need 3 pieces of 1/2-inch round stock cut to 2.5 inches long. The first step is going to be tacking your horseshoes together in an orientation similar to this. After we're done tacking, we're going to weld the horseshoes together in 3 spots on both sides. One here, and one here, and also in the 3 spots on the other side. Next, we're going to tack these stands on and weld them in 3 different locations. Once that is done, you can paint it or leave it as is. Be sure to read and follow all labels and the owner's manual carefully. Now we're ready to weld. Next, we're going to tack the 3 pieces of round stock onto the horseshoes. As you can see with this simple project building the trivet, it only took a couple welds to make it. For more projects and tips, go to hobartwelders.com.